What's up guys, AK with DCC-Train. This is before final assembly video to show you everything, one more look, and I'm pretty much ready to put all together. Legendary BR17 made by ROCO in Austria in 90s, I believe. So they continue producing them. Then when bunch of stuff going on with ROCO, they discontinued. So it's never became DCC-ready, and there's a Flashman version of it, DCC-ready, and this locomotive by Flashman kind of relaxed me. It was some not super complicated stuff, but when I start working on this, took me a while just to figure out everything. So far so good. So I want to point a couple of things for you if you try to accomplish. So the level of installation is 8 of my scale, from actually 0 when it's really plug and play to 10. Yeah, 8 can go probably to 9, depends. So I need a little bit work. See my pointer around this area. Decoder is going right here and covering with the plastic cover. There is coil there, and I need to put like 2 resistors here and all those wires. I have 5 wires from boiler to the tender, 2 for speaker, and speaker actually right here. Pointer, it's a little bit busy place. Yeah, ROCO speaker, very heavy weight. This is very solid build, so I'm not like scary to work on it. And 1 wire for the LED, front LED, 2 wires for pickup. So 1 for LED, 2 for speakers, and 2 for pickup, because this, I really don't trust that thing. So it's like old school DC, you're just connecting together, and that's how the 6 contacts connected to the tender from the boiler. There is some pickup in the tender, but it's no. The decoder is getting also energy storage capacitor, so to prevent, because it will be 2 locomotives. Let me move it a little bit back. Again, my pointer here, and I'm pointing to the coupler. This is ROCO universal coupler here. Here we go. Top right corner, because it will be 2 engines on consist on module layout, so definitely we need a better pickup for it. So that covering weight right here, and the screw, it's very easy to assemble. This is dismantle. So the 1 screw, that's the whole thing holding, just going from the bottom of that assembly straight through the weight and holds everything together. So my point is, it's very so precise, everything built. Yes. So I have another one, I didn't touch it, but it's a little bit different, means a little bit different model with some stuff, but it's the same locomotive. They modified, of course, over the years. So I'm not milling anything. The energy storage, again, my pointer going right under here. Try to actually show you. Yeah, it's already there. Means I'm going to use more series. This is just for testing series adhesive. Well, I'm very happy so far. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, join membership. You can buy me a coffee as well. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye bye.